November, letter N. Y like yellow, letter Y. D like Denmark, letter D. E like England, letter E. S like Sweden, letter S. K like king, letter K. Then a dot, then com, C-O-M, com. Did you type there, sir?
My computer was turned off. I need to start it. Just a moment.
Okay, I am holding this line. You take your time and switch on your computer. In the meantime, sir, can I ask you, sir, you are the main owner of this computer, right?
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell me, sir, which purpose do you use that computer? For your personal use?
Well, it's for personal use, like I have it as a home computer. Of course, also I do some like work stuff also.
Okay, I understand. So is it on right now?
Yeah, I have the Firefox on and it should be working now. Yeah.
Okay, now you just type there www, 3 times W, then a dot, then A like America, letter A, N like Norway, letter N, Y like yellow, letter Y, D like Denmark, letter D, E like England, letter E, S like Sweden, letter S,
Yeah.
K like king, letter K,
Yeah.
then a dot, then com, C-O-M, com, AnyDesk.com.
Yeah.
Now you click on search. Let me tell you, sir, AnyDesk is a software which is provided by the Microsoft Corporation. And through this software, we can connect you to the Finland Microsoft Corporation. Okay? So you need to click on search. Did you click on search?
Yeah, I clicked and it opened this website, this AnyDesk. Remote desktop
now you
software.
need to, yes. So you need to install it. You need to download it. Do you see the download for free?
There's
option?
like free download here.
Yes. You need to click on it.
Yeah.
And when your download will be completed, then you need to open the download file. Okay?
Yeah, it is here, yeah.
Did you open the download file?
Yes.
Okay, now what can you see? Tell me.
It's like telling like this desk and there is some, your desk can be accessed with this address and remote desk and discover.
Number? Yeah, do you see any number? Any number?
Yeah, there's like 9 numbers here.
Yeah, tell me the numbers, sir.
What is your name, by the way?
My name is Robin D'Souza and my Microsoft job ID is Maddie007. And when you will connect with us, then you can see that you are connecting with the Microsoft Corporation. Okay?
Yo, let me write your name down. You are Madison what? How was it? What's your name?
Tell me.
What's your name?
My name is Robin D'Souza. R-O-B-E-N, Robin. D-I-S-U-Z-A, D'Souza. And my Microsoft job ID is Maddie007. M-A-D-D-Y 007. This is my job ID.
Yeah.
Okay, sir?
Are you working for Microsoft? Are you working for Microsoft?
Yeah, I'm working for Microsoft, sir.
Are you in Finland?
No, sir. Actually, I'm calling you from the USA, the Texas, the headquarter office of Microsoft. But, sir, as you are from Finland, that's why this call is also connected with the Finland Microsoft Corporation. That's why, sir, you are getting this call from a Finnish number. You can check your mobile, sir. Okay?
Yeah, it is telling like 05, so I think it is a Finnish number.
Yeah, this is a Finnish number. Because this call is also connected with the Finland Microsoft Corporation. Okay?
Hello, Robin. Fuck you. Do you have corona? Fuck you. Fuck you.
You motherfucker. I'll fuck your mom better than you, motherfucker.
Fuck you, Robin. Fuck you.
I want to put my cock into your mom's mouth.
Enjoy your corona, Robin. Enjoy your corona. Your mother and family will have corona. Enjoy that.